Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change pin lock password to pattern lock password on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. Suppose if you have set pin for your phone, then if you later think that you can you will you wish to change to pattern lock, yes, you can do it. Currently my pin is 198485 and I would like to change it to pattern lock password. Okay, for that what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here and then go to lock screen, go to lock screen and click on screen lock type, and here's type your current pin for authentication and confirmation. So I type 198485 and now you go to select pattern, then draw the pattern that you want to use. Okay, here I would like to use this pattern and click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm. Yes, your pattern has been changed. Now check, put lock in your phone and open with your pattern that you set. Yes, it has been set very well. In this way you can easily change from pin lock password to pattern lock password on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.